What's going on, guys? So before we get started with this unboxing, I just wanted to give a special thank you to Toy Monster International and Playwise Partners for sending over this amazing box of the brand new Camp Cretaceous Pop and Lock Captivz eggs for us to open up here on the channel today. Now, since we've got 24 eggs to open, I figured I would have a little fun and invite a special guest on the show today, and that is my 8-year-old daughter, Lex. So she's going to help me open up these eggs. We're going to have a ton of fun doing it, so let's get started. All right, so here's the deal. We have 24 eggs. I have 12, and you have 12. We're going to open them one at a time, and we'll say, like, whoever finds the most glow-in-the-dark dino minifigures wins. Okay? So that's the kind of game that we'll play. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and move these eggs over to here. You got room there, you can move it over. Perfect. Alright, so here we go. We are going to start opening these eggs up.
Okay.
So, good luck. I'm going to try my hardest to beat you. Hopefully I find the most.
No, I will beat you.
I don't know.
I'm going to.
I'm feeling lucky today. You already got yours up? I can't get my fingernails underneath it.
No.
Alright, so get ready. There's slime on the inside, so be careful.
Uh-oh, I see it. Oh, no.
Oh, I didn't even think to bring scissors. Okay, here we go. Now we'll just cut.
Wait. Hold on. I can't cut it yet. Okay, now I can. Oh, it's so slimy after. I got that,
Oh, I got a pteranodon.
I got a Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus? I don't think there's this. Oh, the Indominus Rex.
Yeah,
You got it?
yeah, I got it.
Okay. Alright, so mine has a pteranodon, and I got this little... Looks like a pog.
That's cool.
Pretty neat. That looks great. Look how
Yes.
detailed that guy is.
Yeah.
Ooh, I've got slime leaking out of mine
Oh, no.
already.
Yours is really wanting to come out.
Oh, I got a Velociraptor.
What? Let's see what I got.
Looks like this one is...
I got the one you got. I got the first one you got.
Oh, you got the glow-in-the-dark one. Oh, you get a point.
Yeah!
Alright, so I got a Velociraptor.
Okay.
Looks like
I got
Echo.
the coolest one ever.
Great looking little minifigure. Look at the detail on that guy.
That's
Looks
so
awesome.
cool.
Or girl. Alright.
Ready?
Alright, here we go.
So sad. Oh no.
Oh boy. What? What are you gonna do with all this slime?
We're gonna like play with it.
No, we're gonna flush it down the toilet.
What? Ready?
I'm
Dump
ready.
it out.
Ooh, I got a Stegosaurus.
What? Let's see what I got though. Oh, here's my card. I got T-Rex.
You got a T-Rex?
Say again. We have a T-Rex.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, I'm lucky. Oh my god, look at that T-Rex face.
Alright, let's see. It's hard to hold on to these because my hands are so slippery
Yeah.
from the slime.
Mm-hmm.
Alright,
There's a
Stegosaurus.
golden medal on it.
Oh,
like, no, like
they all
this.
have that? Oh, they all have that.
Oh yeah.
Alright,
What is it?
T-Rex, that's your side. You got a lot of cool ones, man. You got Indominus, the
Yeah.
glow-in-the-dark pteranodon, and
And
the T-Rex. Dang. Alright,
I'm feeling lucky today.
apparently.
See, you thought you were gonna be lucky. Look at my tiny little paper towel versus yours. Okay, there we go.
Okay, here we go. Ready? 3, 2,
Two,
1. Oh,
I got an Indominus
look,
Rex.
I got another,
Wait, I got another Indominus
Yeah.
Rex.
I got another green raptor, or, not green raptor.
Duplicate. What if we just trade? Can we trade?
Sure, man, I'll trade you. Here's my raptor.
Well, thank you, dude. Here's your thing.
Alright. Having difficulty?
Yeah.
Technical difficulties with the scissors.
Yeah. The scissors are fighting me.
Alright, here we go.
Ready?
Another
I
Stegosaurus.
got a dark.
What? You got another glow-in-the-dark one?
It's
Baryonyx.
Bronchians.
Baryonyx.
Baryonyx.
Wow, so you are now
2 points and you're
2 points. 2-0.
Why do you have...
Look at this. I got 2 Stegos and 2 Charlies. And
Hey, you're going the
Pteranodon.
other way. I got
Another Stegosaurus.
Another...
Oh, what'd you get?
I got a stick...
Oh, you got the
I got-
Sinoceratops or Sinoceratops.
Yeah, I'm lucky.
Oh, look at this. Another Stegosaurus.
But this is new, though. This is new.
Yeah, that's a new one. So you got a new one.
Yeah.
All right, another little baby Stego.
Oh my god, we got at the same time.
All right, we're getting better at this.
Yeah, we're gonna make it a lot better.
Are you scissors really dull?
No.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Another Pteranodon. Oh,
I got a different one.
You got the other Baryonyx. This Baryonyx Grim, I believe. Your rack is you have a good rack of eggs.
Yes, I do. I got
Look
blue.
at you. Wait, no, you don't get blue. What'd you get?
I got blue.
Oh, you did. God, you're lucky. I got another Pteranodon. Come on.
Mine? I think I got blue again. No, I got a duplicate.
Oh, right. I got another raptor. Look at this one. What is this guy?
Wait. You got...
It's brown.
You got this one. You got Echo.
Echo. All right, so we almost have the full raptor squad. We just need Delta. All right, here we go. Please don't be a duplicate.
Please don't be
Here we go. Ready?
duplicate.
3, 2, 1.
I got blue.
Oh.
No, I didn't get blue.
What'd you get?
I got the Bryoncaria.
The what?
The Bryoncaria. The Bryoncaria.
Explain to me how you got that from its name. The Bioncria?
Last egg.
All right, hang
Let's
on.
hope for good
Here we
luck.
go. This is it.
Right, wish for good luck.
This is what everybody's tuned into. Lexi is so far winning.
Yes, I
I
got
can't
two.
even win now. You pretty much won the glow in the dark thing. I can't even beat you at this point.
Dude, why
Unless there's like 3 glow in the dark figures in here.
I'm ahead of you.
All right, you ready?
It's like really big this time.
All right, here we go.
Oh man, let's hope for good luck.
All right, let's see. Dump it out.
Let's hope I get. I think I got one of them. Okay, you dump it your ass
You
first.
dump yours out first. Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Oh my God, no! I got another Echo.
I feel so bad.
This
for
is
you.
probably super entertaining to people. Just a pile of duplicates. Oh man, you got a really cool rack of eggs, man. Look at you. You got 2 Sinoceratops.
Bryoncaria.
You got the Baryonyx and the glow in the dark one.
Yeah.
Man.
Oh, look at my bio.
All right, so I guess we'll get all this cleaned up and then we'll close the video out. Well, all right, my friends, so that is going to do it for this video. Again, a huge thank you to Toy Monster International and Playwise Partners for hooking us up with this awesome set of Captivz eggs. I had such a great time doing this with my kid, and I look forward to doing it again in the future. For more Jurassic-related content, you know where to find me. Links will be in the description box below. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.
God, my nail. Oh my god, what is that in my nail?
No, let's get Keller with the blanket. It's like literally like 5 pounds of slime. Look at that. Oh. What?
It's getting all white. How is it doing that?
Oh. Alright, I have to go wash up now.